Hi guys, in this video I'll let you guys know how to check eBay order status. In order to check the status of an eBay order, you can log into your eBay account and navigate to your purchase history and find the item you purchased and look for a tracking number or link, which will lead you to a tracking page. And if a tracking number is not provided, you can contact the seller for an update. Likewise, you could also directly do this. So what you have to do is, first of all, you want to type in ebay.com/help/buy/shipping-delivery/tracking. Don't worry about the link, I'll make sure to drop it on my description box below. And next, what you have to do is, here you have this section, right? Track your item. So what you need to do is, you have to simply go and click on a sign in, enter in the credentials, and you need to go ahead and simply track your item by entering or providing your tracking number. That is how you could track your order status on eBay. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.